In this video, I will be using PowerShell to remove learn about this picture desktop icon in Windows. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And here you can see the first command that I will be demonstrating. This will create a registry entry in Windows registry. And this registry entry is responsible for showing or not showing the icon on the desktop. Also, as you can see here, this registry entry is located in the current user hive. That means that this will work only for the user that is executing the command. And later I will demonstrate the snippet that you see here. And this is to create the registry entry for all the users on the computer. So first I will click on the button right here to copy the command, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have this Windows 11 virtual machine. As you can see, we have the icon in here. Now to hide it, I will open a PowerShell window. We don't need to run it with administrator privileges, and then I will insert the command from the GitHub page. I will press enter, and as you can see, the icon didn't disappear, but if I refresh, you can see that the icon disappears from the desktop. And that's basically it for hiding it for the user that is executing this command. And now I want to show you another user that I have on the same computer. So I will sign out from my admin user, and then sign in to the John's account. And as you can see, in the John's account, we still have the icon, because like I said, the command that I have here only works for the user that is executing the command. So once again, let's go back to the admin user. And now I will be disabling the desktop icon for all the users on the computer from my admin user. And for that, I will go back to my GitHub page where I have this snippet that you see here. And now I will go over how it works. First, it will create a provisioning folder in C program data directory on the computer. After that, it will create a registry file that you see here. And this is to create the same registry entry that we created for that single user before. And the snippet right here will only create the registry file, but it will not execute it or import it. Next, we have a registry configuration for active setup. An active setup allows us to run commands for each user on the computer once during logon, and even for the users that we will be creating in the future. So basically, this will execute the registry file that we create in here, and this will happen for each user on the computer once when they log in for the first time after this snippet is executed. And this part right here is responsible for creating the registry entry that we see here. And now I will click on the button right here to copy the snippet and go back to my virtual machine. Once again, we need to open a PowerShell window, but this time we need to run it as administrator. And that's because we are performing active setup configuration that is in the local machine hive. Let's insert the snippet from the GitHub page, press enter. As you can see, the snippet executed successfully. Now to see what's going to happen, we need to sign back into the John's account. So I'll type logoff and then sign into John. And here you can still see that we have the icon, and that's because it takes about 10 seconds or 20 seconds for active setup to execute the commands. But while I was talking, I'm pretty sure that active setup managed to execute the commands. So let's refresh, and as you can see, the icon disappeared. And that's basically it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.